So you guys get a list, right? That looks like this. So just click. So two links, Amazon link and your supplier link. Click both. And then if you're like really new, you need to like set up your seller amp first. So you go to your seller amp right here. Click on the settings. And then go to the bottom. You put 2.2 here because it covers our prep fee and our Amazon shipping fee, right? And then here is 10%.
Settings.
Huh?
My bad. You put the 2.2 for prep fee?
Right.
Sorry. That's the part that I was asking about earlier.
Yeah,
Yeah.
2.2 for prep fee and 10% for your taxes. And then from here, you click save.
My bad. You said 10% for taxes.
Right.
Is that miss?
Miscellaneous.
Is that miscellaneous, please?
Yeah.
Okay, my bad. I got both screens up. I should probably do this on my phone next time.
No, you're good.
Okay.
And then refresh.
That's what I was need. That was a question, guys.
And you just do it once and it's forever set up. So right there. So now we're here. And then now you get the cost from your supplier's website, which is this, but before that, you gotta check first, right? If the products really match. So I usually look at the title. So buy 10, 500 or 5,000 MCG. 5,000 MCG, 240 count. And then I also look at the photos. They match. They match. Yeah, they match.
Well, real quick, Louis, so that's the question I had before, because the photos to me looked a little bit different, but it may look like the packaging, so I just might send that to you.
Okay, send to me.
Okay,
Yeah, that happens though. It could be the same product but different packaging. So
okay.
yeah, so it looks the same, right? You guys agree?
Mm-hmm.
And from here, I take the cost of the product, so 9.88, and then I do run the numbers. So this one is obviously negative. So from here, I usually look at the other sellers. Yeah, oh, this is very negative. Yeah, this is negative for sure.
Why is it negative?
Negative ROI right here. The ROI is negative 19. So it's not profitable.
And that's
Yeah,
because the shipping and taxes, or I mean, fulfillment and taxes and the cost price
right. Yeah,
makes it that. Okay.
Is there a
yeah.
way to go in Keepa and see when more than likely that price dipped like that? Because I imagine it wasn't always negative, otherwise all these guys wouldn't be on it.
Right. So for this one, it used to be cheaper in like Walmart for sure. And this Walmart seller or like Walmart themselves increased the price.
Got it. So,
Yeah, this probably used to be like $4 or something. And then yeah,
but you
like
can't
$4,
tell when
$5.
it happened, or is that too hard to tell when that would have shifted?
Well, I just know because of experience, but about like 100 people like bought this product. So I know Walmart caught on to that and be like, they just increase the price.
Does that happen a lot where a lot of sellers are getting on a particular product with Walmart and they just decided to jack the price up?
It happens.
Supply and demand.
Yeah, supply and demand. Yeah, it
Yeah. I mean, is
happens.
that more with Walmart or is that just any supplier in general that does that?
Just in general.
Okay.
Yeah, because they control their price, right? Just like how we control our own prices. So yeah, but for this one, I think it used to be cheaper,
Yeah.
and then they just jacked it up.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so this one is a skip for sure, right? Skip. Next product.
Louis, what kind of computer do you have?
MacBook.
Okay, so you can do that with this, the same apps we use, like the extensions, you can do that on a Mac?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, same. So this one is a 6-pack, right? So $2.99. Well, first I'm gonna check the product they match. So crackle, barrel, short, cheddar, macaroni and cheese, and a little dinner. Okay, so 3.8 ounces. Yeah. So 6 of these, right? So 6 times 3 or 2.99 times 6. So it's 17.94, right? So with this one, it's about 14% ROI. You guys see it? See it, Zach?
Yeah, we see it.
For this product, you're making about 14% ROI. 60 sales a month. Although this one is a variation. So I'm not gonna go deep on this one. I'll keep it basic. So 60 sales a month. And then as far as other sellers, there's 3 other sellers, right? With 5 units of products. So I guess the question is, would you guys buy this one?
No,
60 sales a month with 3 other sellers with 5.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll buy a little bit.
Yeah,
Yes, and I would put it at 42, 41.
right there. Okay, love that. Okay, yeah, it's a personal choice. Like too likely to know because it's like on the lower side of sales, right? Like 60 a month. But this one is, I want to say, pretty decent because there's not a lot of sellers, right? So, yeah, to me, I mean, I probably buy 5, or 10.
I have a question, and it might be the same question I asked earlier, but I see it says 17 and then up at the top,
17.
17.94, sale price 37.93.
Right.
Can you just explain how the profit's only 266 one more time?
Right. So,
'Cause that's $20.
right.
Obviously minus prep fee and that, but is the prep fee that high and the taxes that high that it's only
Right. So 14% ROI, which is return of investment, right? So 37.93 times 0.14. Oh, after the fees. Hold on. So 17.94 times.
plus it would be $6?
Right. So your ROI, so you invested $17, right? And your return of investment is 14%, which gives you $2 profit.
So each unit, not box, each unit is $1 to ship plus 10%.
Yes. So the prep cost is about $1.20 per unit.
So since I have 6 units, it'd be $6 whatever $1.20 times 6 is
Right.
plus 17.94.
Plus 17.94. Oh, you mean to like prep it? Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's per unit.
correct. So because it's a 6-pack, I have to times that by 6.
Oh, no. It's per unit.
Maybe I'm getting unit mixed up with something else.
Yeah. So unit is like piece. It's like an
Yeah,
Amazon lingo. So it's one piece. This one is a different example because it's like a 6-pack, right?
so 6-pack is 1 unit.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I
You're
thought
paying
it
about
was
like $1.25.
for the whole 6-pack to be sold.
Well, technically we're paying an extra 50 cents because this one it's a bundle, right? But I'm not gonna go deep with this one.
Got
I'll
it.
keep it simple. Yeah.
Gotcha. I won't hold you up on this one. Got it.
Yeah.
Real quick though, Louis, Zach brought up a good point. So when we are putting in, let's say those would have been sold separately. So it's not in a box, it's 6 separate you know, products? Do we have to go in and customize the everything all over again to make sure that we're gonna get the accurate ROI in seller amp? Do you know what I mean?
Customize.
Because don't we usually just it's built in like $2.20?
Right. Yeah, if it's a bundle,
we
you're just adding like
did
an
have
extra
a
50
bundle.
cents.
What's that?
If you're selling a bundle like this one,
Right.
you're adding like 50 cents.
Add 50 cents.
Yeah, to the cost price.
Got it.
Yeah. If it's a single, then it's $1.25. If you guys go back to the website, right, of our prep center,
Right.
so they're charging about $1.25 per unit, right?
Mm-hmm. But I guess what I'm saying is like, as an example, let's say we're doing like it's a 2-pack or a 3-pack or something like that. So, but when we go to the supplier, you have to buy them individually.
Right.
So
Yes.
technically those are going out individually to the prep center. So do we have to add like $1 or something for each one and bump up the price?
No. So for like 6 packs like this, we're just paying an extra 50 cents per pack. Does that make sense?
So it's not $3. It's just 50 cents for the bundle.
So okay, so for this one, we're paying $1.25, right? For
Okay.
prep plus 50 cents because it's a 6-pack.
Right, but it's a 6-pack in a box, right? Doesn't it come in just one box?
Oh, well, no, because on Target, you're buying it per piece.
So the dollar, the 50 cent is basically what we're paying the prep center to send it to Amazon in a box.
No.